Maharashtra government has moved the Supreme Court against the decision of the Nagpur bench of Bombay High Court to acquit former DU Professor G N Saibaba and 5 others in the alleged Maoist link case. Now, while acquitting the accused, the bench said that the prosecution failed to really prove the case beyond reasonable doubt against them. It also held as null and void the sanction procured by the prosecution to charge the accused under the stringent UAPA law. Now, G N Saibaba and others were the first convicted by a Nagpur Sessions Court in 2017 for their alleged connections with left-wing extremist organizations and for allegedly waging war against India. Colleague Shrishti joins us on the phone line. Well, Shrishti, this is definitely some big news, some relief coming their way as well. Could you share more details as far as the case in itself and the decision here is concerned?
Well, the relief was granted by the Nagpur bench of Bombay High Court to G N Saibaba and 5 others in this particular matter. But trouble seems to be not over for all of them, as the Maharashtra government has moved to Supreme Court against the decision of Nagpur bench of Bombay High Court. Earlier in the afternoon as well, the Nagpur bench of Bombay High Court refused to stay on its order acquitting former DU Professor Saibaba in his appeal challenging 2017 conviction by the Gadchiroli court in Maharashtra. The court stated that the prosecution here failed to prove the case against the accused and that the sanction under the UAPA law, and it mentioned that it is null and void. The bench of the division bench of the court of justice mentioned that, and it allowed the accused on 2017 order of the trial court in Maharashtra's Gadchiroli district that it convicted them, and later the bench also closed the matter for the judgment in September last year. Now what comes across in this matter, latest development is that the Maharashtra government has moved to Supreme Court against the order.
Right. Thank you, Shrishti, for sharing those details with us. We're going to slip into a quick break, but on the